this is Anchor Manu. Today here I am for the California 2021 Miss Bharat competitions and with the founder of our Miss Bharat, so Rashmi Bedi ji. So let's talk to her about this beautiful pageant. So in your words, and firstly, welcome to Mana Voice.
Thank you so much. And it's an honor to have, of course, looking forward to organize Miss Bharat California and of course I wanted people here because a lot of Indian people and Indian communities here, and this is a beautiful platform. You know, I feel if you perform or if you use this platform, you can rise and shine like the stars. You know, there are so many opportunities that knock your door. It's great for you, so why not use it? And you never know when your journey starts. And the best part of a pageant is we have all age, all sizes, and
Wow.
I feel age is just a number.
Yes.
With age, the bar goes off. That's what it is all about.
Thank you so much, Rashmi ji. It was a pleasure meeting you as well. You are such a sweetheart.
Thank you, and I would like you to have with us because, of course, for Mrs. I always say it's a journey from kitchen to ram. So why not use this platform of Miss Bharat Rocket? Thank you.
So much. Hi, this is Anchor Manu, and here I am for the Miss Bharat California 2021 that's happening. First time ever in Bay Area, I would say, right? Yes. Yeah. So we have our stage director Tripta here. So let's talk to her and know more details of this beauty pageant. So firstly, welcome Tripta ji to Mana Voice.
Thank you. Thank
So
you.
please, would you share something about like pageant, like why you are here, like to conduct these kind of pageants? Like, is there any cause behind this or anything? So please share to our viewers.
Yes, thank you, viewers. So I have participated in this pageant because I want to. This pageant is all about bringing people their empowerment, to empower them, and especially women. We want to tell them that they are worth it, and also, you know, we all go through so much stress in our life. So for me, I have my personal story because I'm a survivor of a very bad depression and trauma. But I re-engineered myself and I came out of it, you know, but I am here. And I just want to tell through this media, I want my voice to be heard. I want to tell the audience that there is hope.
Wow.
You are not alone.
Yes.
There is help, and there is so much we can do together, so never lose hope. And since I'm a survivor, I tell you something, if I can do it, you can do it, and together we are strong. Together we can build a healthy physical and mental health community, and we want to create a community where we support each other. And also just want to let you know we are, my foundation is joining hands with Dr. Param.
Wow.
He is a MD in Fremont in urgent care, and they have a walk-in clinic which is open 7 days a week. So anybody who is going through stress or any trauma or depression, they are welcome to walk in at the clinic and at the urgent care in Fremont. And I will share all the details and addresses with her, and we will put it on your website. And we want to save lives. We want to be there for each other.
That's awesome.
If I can save one life, I would say I will die very happy.
Wow.
So thank you so much, and we look forward for a bigger hope for saving lives and being together. Together we are strong. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Thank you so much for being in my show.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, this is Anchor Manu from Mana Voice, and ఈ రోజు నేను మిస్ భారత్ కాలిఫోర్నియా 2021 బ్యూటీ pageant కి వచ్చాను యాంకర్ గా, అండ్ నాతో పాటు బ్యూటిఫుల్ డైరెక్టర్ ఫ్రమ్ కాలిఫోర్నియా. సో ఇదే ఫస్ట్ టైం అంటే విమెన్ అందరినీ ఎంకరేజ్, అంటే నాట్ ఓన్లీ ద విమెన్ కదా. సో తన మాటలో తెలుసుకుందాము ఎందుకు ఈ బ్యూటీ pageant ని నిర్వహిస్తున్నారని చెప్పేసి. సో లెట్స్ టాక్ టు హర్, అండ్ ఫస్ట్లీ వెల్కమ్ శృతి టు Mana Voice.
Thank you so much, Manasa, and it's a pleasure talking with you. Namaste, Telugu ప్రజలందరికీ నమస్తే. నేను శృతి, స్టేట్ డైరెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ కాలిఫోర్నియా. సో ఈ పేజెంట్ గురించి చెప్పాలి అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం దట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఇన్ కాలిఫోర్నియా ఇన్ పర్సన్. I would say. And ఈ పేజెంట్ అంటే ఏదో చాలా మంది లైక్ పెద్ద ఫ్యాషన్ షో అది అని అనుకుంటారు. బట్ ఇదేంటంటే బేసికలీ సో ఏంటంటే ఇది ఏంటంటే basically we started like a women empowerment show laga start chesamu, and then we realized it will be just not for the beauty people, it is for somebody who doesn't have a beauty also. We want to bring out the inner beauty ni consider cheyakunda everybody we are giving every woman opportunity with coming from everybody actually. So we show చూస్తే కనుక టిప్స్ చూస్తే కనుక అర్థమవుతుంది. We are encouraging all the people and ఏంటి like 40 age తర్వాత కూడా వచ్చి పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ జోక్, ఐమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ. ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి ఉమెన్ని, చాలా మంది టాలెంటెడ్ పీపుల్ ఉన్నారు. అండ్ యూనో నేను ఈ ఇనిషియేటివ్ తీసుకొని రావడానికి కారణం మై హస్బెండ్. ఐ వుడ్ సే హీ ఈజ్ ద వన్ హూ ఎంకరేజ్డ్ మీ అండ్ సపోర్టెడ్ మీ. అలాగే అందరి హస్బెండ్స్ అందరి వైఫ్స్కి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారని. అండ్ ఎందుకు చేయాలి అని అంటే దేర్ ఈజ్ అ టాలెంట్ హిడెన్ ఇన్ దెమ్. సో ఏదో ఒకటి చేయాలి అని ప్రతి ఉమెన్ అనుకుంటూ ఉంటుంది, బట్ దే డోంట్ హ్యావ్ అ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ టు షేర్, రైట్? సో ఈ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మేము ఇదే ఈవెంట్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వలేదు, ఇట్స్ అ బిగినింగ్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. అండ్ వీ విల్ డూ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ అదర్ షోస్. ఎనీ ఉమెన్ ఇఫ్ దే ఫీల్ లైక్ శృతి నేను పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తాను, నేను వస్తాను అంటే డెఫినెట్లీ నా ఫ్లైయర్ చూడండి, నా నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది. ప్లీజ్ కనెక్ట్ విత్ మీ అండ్ విల్ గో ఫ్రమ్ దేర్. మేము ప్రతి ఒక్కటి ట్రైన్ చేసి విల్ గో ఫ్రమ్ దేర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఆసమ్ శృతి, అంటే చాలా బాగా చెప్పింది. అంటే యాజ్ ఎ ఉమెన్ మనం ఇంటికే పరిమితం కాదు అని చెప్పడానికి దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ పెజెంట్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. అండ్ హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ టు యువర్ హస్బెండ్ యాజ్ వెల్. సో ఇంత చక్కగా ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి లైక్ సో ఐ విష్ టు ఆల్ ద హస్బెండ్ షుడ్ ఎంకరేజ్ ఆల్ ద విమెన్ దేర్. Thank you so much, Shruti, once again being in my show. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manasa. Thank you so much.
Would like to say any thanks to Mana Voice?
Yes, thank you so much, Mana Voice. And I know it's a peak time for you guys and you're busy. And ఇలా వచ్చి ఒక షోని మేము ఇలా ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తున్నామంటే వచ్చి ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు మీరు. అంటే చాలా మంది చూపించాలి అని మీ ఐడియా ఇట్ మెల్టెడ్ మీ. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ హియర్ అండ్ టేకింగ్ దిస్ బీయింగ్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ షో. And also especially I want to thank my two people. నేను కొలాబరేట్ అయ్యి వాళ్ళతో I started this and I really thank them and thank Rashmi and Chiranjeev on behalf of everybody.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Rima, and I just won Mrs. X Factor Queen at the Mrs. Bharat Elite contest, and I'm so happy to be here. A big thank you to Mana TV and My Dream TV USA. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
Yeah, it's small correction. Mana Voice. Say thank you, Mana Voice.
Thank you, Mana Boys.
Hey, hi, hello California. This is Priyanka and I have participated in Mrs. Bharat California from My Dream TV and I'm feeling very excited. I've already got a Mrs. Vibrant personality over here and it's a beautiful aura out here, and I just want to thank Mano Voice and Miss Bharat team. It's really very good platform. Thank you so much to Janakji and Rashmi ji. Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Hello, my name is Shri. Here we are participating for Miss Bharat California 2021 and we won. I won a title for Miss Fashionista and there's still more show to go, so we are just waiting for the final results yet. So far everything is going amazing. Thank you for the opportunity and thank you Mana TV.
Mana Voice.
Mana Voice, I'm so sorry. Thank you
No
Mana Voice
worries.
again. Yeah,
Thank you so much. Okay, next one.
Hi everyone, my name is Smita Madhav and I won Miss Congeniality title. I would like to thank My Dream TV and Rashmi ji and Charanji for offering this platform, and thank you to Mana Voice for the TV as well.
Thank you so much. Yeah, next.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Preeti Nare and I am participating in Miss Bharat California, Miss Bharat California 2021, and I am a contestant and I just won the title of Mrs. Catwalk. I would like to say thank you to My Dream TV USA, Rashmi Baby and Jananji, and also Mana Voice. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Okay.
Hi everybody, I'm Vanessa Jacob. I am part of the Miss Bharat USA team and we just Acme team for giving us this platform to come out and get this title. Thank you, Manu TV. Thank you.
Manu.
Everyone, my name is Niyati, and today we were competing for Miss Bharat California, and I just won the Miss Photogenic award, and I'm really thankful to all the judges, the organizing committee, and the supporting staff for hosting this big event and giving us a platform to showcase ourselves. And thank you.
నమస్కారం మన వాయిస్ నా పేరు గాయత్రి అండి. నేను ఇక్కడ మిస్ భారత్ కాలిఫోర్నియాలో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. మై డ్రీమ్ టీవీకి, రష్మీజీకి, జనక్జీకి చాలా చాలా కృతజ్ఞతలు. మంచి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మాకు ఇచ్చారు, మా అందరికీ మంచిగా అవకాశం కలిగించారు. నమస్కారం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
I'm Mawar. I'm here in competing in Mrs. Bharat pageant for My Dream TV USA.
Wow.
Hi, this is Gayatri. I'm here at Miss Bharat California.
Hi, this is Vanna Singh. I'm here enjoying Miss Bharat California with these beautiful ladies here. Hi, this is Archana here. I'm here for the fashion show with these beautiful girls, sexy girls. Enjoy and have fun.
Hello, this is Shri. We are here for participating for Miss Bharat competitions and having a great time. Thank you.
Wow, you girls looking gorgeous and all the very best.
Thank you, boys. Thank you, man, boys. Love you.
I'm so happy to have you here. It's a dream come true. I'm sure you all have watched Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. You want to say something from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai to our audiences?
No, I'm just so excited, honestly, to be here and to be given so much respect for a movie that I did so many years ago. I'm so excited that the Indian community here has watched us globally and still remembers me. So I'm really grateful, and I appreciate you for calling me here.
Thank you, Sana. Thank you. Can we have Arjun and Surya on stage, please? You know you can't hide.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Vandana, and I would like to introduce you my childhood. I grew up in very backward part of India. It's called Bundelkhand region, and where there's electricity and the basic need of the human are hard to reach. And I've seen my father working for the community. That kind of environment I have in my blood, and I've given 25 years of my life to work among the women in rural India, very backward part of India, for their empowerment, for their livelihood, for their sanitation. I have gone to village in my scooty, and I worked 20 years. Still I am very active part of an organization called ASHA in India, and a big portion of my income goes to the underprivileged kids. I worked in a project called Kopal, was working for female feticide. In India, this is like little, I think most of us are aware of this, that female feticide is just a big problem there. And I worked for that project for 5 years, and I was I'm very proud to say that we were able to close probably dozens of ultrasound center where the girls were getting aborted. So I'm very proud to be here today, and very proud to be on a platform where I can share my experience and invite and encourage all the women to come forward and do something for the community that we live in and we are surrounded by. My husband by profession is a lawyer, and I currently help his business as an office manager. I help him, and he's a family lawyer, so we happen to see a lot of women under the women violence. So here in Bay Area, I try to help those women for the for the non-violence activities. I'm a big part, and I would like to sum up my introduction here saying 2 lines. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से ये पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Thank you very much. All the women, I love you all. Stand for yourself, who you are, and just be who you are and be the happy yourself. Thank you very much.
I'm Divya Mawar, a poised professional with a big passion for fashion and paying it forward to community. I am a digital automation leader at day, and at night I support my own blog where I inspire thousands of women. I'm a pro stylist for Freshmates. I have walked ramp for designers like Rubina Delisle. I truly believe in empowering women in every sphere of life, instilling confidence in them and giving them fearless wings to fly, for which I have been awarded Mrs. India Pacific Queen. I would really like to thank my Dream TV USA for giving us this platform where us all women can showcase our talent, voice our opinion, and celebrate our diversity. Thank you so much.
Good evening to one and all. Myself, contestant number 28, Ruby Carpus. Growing up, I was bullied for the way how I look, for my color and everything. I'm standing across all of you, breaking all those fears and barriers. Recently, joined hand with Stanford University's research to fight against COVID-19. Last but not least, I give my 100% in everything I do, except giving recognition. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Vanessa Jacob. I am from the Bay Area, but I was born actually in the Middle East, Bahrain. That's where I initially started my journey. And from there, I came here when I was 14 years old, and I've been here since. And I am the decorator for this event today, so I hope you're enjoying this. I feel super fortunate today to be part of this amazing event, joining hands with these amazing people here tonight to support women, tell each woman that she's beautiful. There's no age limit, no color, no size for all us women to come here and celebrate each other. And that's the reason I'm here today, and I will go on to support women to achieve what they can, because nothing is impossible, and we're here tonight to prove that. Thank you.
Right now, put your hands together. शहर के साथ बाकी सदियां कितनी चौखट बन जाऊं तुम्हारे जादू से कह दे तो रूह बुलाऊं मैं कमली 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 मैं तो शहर में कहीं शबनम हाँ गुलशन का फिर चुराऊं बदलो तो से नाम पर मेरी चीज दिखाऊं मैं कमली 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 मेरी याद कमली 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 मैं ऊपरी बात नहीं मेरे हारा Right now, put your hands together.